As stated last time, research studies revealed that a 3-week period of field flooding during the hot summer months of July and August proved to be an effective cultural means of controlling Sclerotinia lettuce drop in future lettuce planting, as this procedure destroyed all sclerotia of Sclerotinia minor and Sclerotinia sclerotium in soil. During 2011-2012, over 4,200 and 3,600 acres respectively were subjected to plant soil flooding in the Yuma Valley. However, some negative effects of this practice have been noted in certain circumstances. One concern is the rising of the groundwater table, particularly in areas already affected by high groundwater. Also, in certain areas in the Yuma Valley, damage to the open drainage systems has occurred as a result of erosion of the sides of earthen drains. These concerns have led to the initiation of additional field research at the Yuma Agricultural Center to further define the method of water delivery and the duration of soil wetness required to destroy sclerotia of Sclerotinia minor, Sclerotinia sclerotium. The goal of this research is to achieve destruction of the Sclerotinia lettuce pathogens in soil with the least amount of water possible. The research trial this summer will tell us if this is possible. Although summer soil flooding may not be appropriate for all ground planted lettuce, this cultural practice can be an effective component of an integrated management program for lettuce drop.